What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the modification for those of you guys who are neat freaks or have OCD about some of these things. So let's go ahead and jump inside the Tacoma and show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here I have two new modifications that we're going to be doing today. One, this is going to be the door cleanup kit. So it's going to come with these little circle caps, some other things, and some more caps. That one is going to cover up this ugly guy right here. So right there, going to cover that up, going to cover a couple other things up as well. And then the other one is going to be this right here. This is going to be the seat gap filler or fillers. It's going to fill in this right here, the French fry trap. So if you guys are like me and you guys eat inside your truck, or your wife eats inside your truck, there's going to be food and crumbs and stuff like that that fall down in this crack, and this super light piece is going to fill in that crack. This is going to go around the seatbelt buckle, and it's going to fill it in. That way your phone doesn't drop down there, because my phone drops down there all the time while I'm driving and it sucks. So this is going to be a great little fix for that. So let's go ahead and get these things installed. All right, so we got the driver's side done here. We got that part there where the hinge is. Super easy. That one just literally clips over it. So that one's super easy to install. This one here looks very nice as well. Covers the entire piece. Now it looks like the factory piece there, so all nice and clean. And then lastly, the 3 screws on the door here. Now it looks like factory. This piece is factory, so now everything looks like nice and cleaned up, like how it should. I came from the factory. So a little reminder how it looked like before. 3 silver screws there, the hinge right there, and then of course the jamb right here. So after installing this kit, I honestly think that Toyota should have made this exactly like this from factory. It's pretty clean the way everything turned out, but the gap filler is pretty cool too. Now I won't lose my phone and everything in that crack. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We will have the link to these products down in the description so you guys can pick them up. Most likely we're gonna be stocking this product as well, so that way we can have them ready to ship out to you guys when you guys are ready. So that's gonna be it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.